Pakgi and I am class 3 and I am from BKB school. Today's topic is bird's life. So once there was a tree in a jungle and there was thunder and the tree fell down, and in that tree there lived a nest with one sparrow and two babies, but their mother died and the eggs were already hatched, and one landed near a rish's ashram and another one landed near a cave where a gang of robbers lived. When they grew up, they were very big enough now, and they were kind of parrots. They were parrots, but white parrot. I think they're green parrots. So they were green parrots. And one day, a king was passing through the jungle to hunt deer, but he found nothing. So he sat near a tree. He heard a voice that take his jewelries, otherwise he will run away. So he saw nothing, but he saw a parrot above him in the tree. On the tree there was a parrot, but the parrot was enough big. So he heard a voice that he felt like somebody was coming near him. So he ran away and he came near the rish's ashram and he heard a voice that, please sir, you have some rest and get some water. He saw nothing, but he saw the same parrot that he saw last time. But this parrot had very good manners. So when the rishi came back, the king told the story of that two birds. Thank you. So the moral of the story is, never do anything bad and always do the good things. So thank you for watching till the end. Hope you guys enjoy our show. Please remember to subscribe our channel and click the bell button. See you next time. Bye.